Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Piman Nikuzume, Japanese green pepper stuffed with ground meat mixture and pan-fried. Piman is a vegetable similar to American bell peppers, but much smaller and the meat is much thinner. Its taste has some bitterness but relatively mild. These are the ingredients. Piman is a summer vegetable, so you probably find it when it's in season if you have a Japanese market nearby. You could substitute with small American bell peppers, but it will taste different and most likely be more watery. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we mix the sauce ingredients in a small bowl and set aside. Cut piman in half and remove stems and seeds. Sprinkle all-purpose flour inside piman with a mesh strainer so that meat will stick well. Chop onion finely. In a large bowl, put onion, ground meat, egg, and breadcrumbs, and season with salt and pepper and mix together very well. We are using ground beef and pork, but you can use just beef or pork. Stuff the meat mixture into the piman, like that. Heat the oil in a frying pan at medium heat. Place the stuffed piman meat side down in the pan and cook covered for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the lid and turn over and cook another 2 to 3 minutes until cooked through. Put the sauce over the meat and serve. As long as you can find the piman, it is very easy to make and it won't take too long. Piman Nikuzume is a perfect hearty dinner entree or good for a party if making a bunch. Hope you can try it this summer.
美味しいね。